Today we're bringing in our students for the Engineering Institute, and we're bringing them on campus to UTRGV so they can come and get a tour of the College of Engineering and Computer Science, so they can get to learn about all the different careers and pathways that exist in engineering.
First, we had a presentation showing all the types of engineering, and they gave us examples of students who have graduated. And they also showed us programs that they do. And then we had a tour of the engineering building. We had a tour guide who showed us the electrical and civil engineering buildings, and he basically showed us what they do if we pursue in one type of engineering. Well, where we will usually be if we come to this campus. These institutes really help because it'll show most of these students whether they or not they want to pursue it based on what they're showing us. For example, I want to be a computer engineer, and they're showing us that'll be part of electrical, and I have an interest in that too. So it makes me want to pursue that career even more.
So we want them to know what exists here in the Valley for them. So for those students that do not want to leave the Valley, they know what opportunities exist here at the UTRGV.
It makes me feel glad that I was able to have these opportunities. Not everyone gets them, and my parents are really happy that I'm able to do all of this and for free. And one thing I'm walking away with is that I'm being reassured of what I want to do with my education. If I want to go into computer engineering, I'll be able to do that here. If I want to go into electrical, I'll be able to do that. It's basically information that I have that will help me pursue my career.